Hey guys, Chichi here. Welcome back. Don't mind the background. Kitty's in the room again. But today I have a triple unboxing from Louis Vuitton. The first item comes in this lovely box. I ordered it off of the website. And maybe if you're familiar with this packaging, you already know that this is a perfume. So, of course, this came with a story. Of course, in the final hours of the price increase, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get a perfume before that price goes up, because honestly, I thought it was just gonna be on, you know, SLGs and bags and stuff. I didn't know it was the entire site. So I was like, let me hop on that real quick. So in my panic buying, I actually bought Jour. I honestly thought I liked the Jour, but I had tried it on after I had ordered it, and I forgot that that one made me sneeze a lot. Now, we are moving into spring, so that could have amped up my allergy feelings. So I ended up getting that. And then I was like, you know what? I think I want this one instead. So I ended up calling. Well, first of all, I went to the Louis Vuitton in Short Hills Mall twice, and both times I needed an appointment in order to get inside. And I was like, listen, I'm either on a lunch break, or it was about to close. And I was like, you know what? Let me just see if I can do this online. Luckily I was, but I did not go unscathed because I had to pay the difference between an even exchange of perfume. Thanks, Louis Vuitton. Really looking out for your girls. So in that, they actually gave me 2 samples I did not request. I did not request Imagination and Cactus Garden. I believe I tried Cactus Garden and it wasn't my fuck fizzle. So we'll see. I will revisit it again, but from what I remember, I wasn't feeling it. Now, what I did notice about the perfume boxes now is that they don't have the cellophane wrapping on it. It's just, you know, a little pull situation. So once you pull this, it's yours. You're gonna have to sell it on the resale market or something, because they will not return it. And with my other perfume, they returned it because I never opened it up. This is why samples are amazing. Okay, here is the bottle, just in case you are unfamiliar with it. Twist up, bam, here we go. Honestly, I always love the little presentation of this, but their bottles are just beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, so gorgeous. Man, this smells so good. Ah, yes. Yeah. I messed up getting that other one first. So this has mandarin from Italy, blackcurrant accords, sambac jasmine, incense and muscat accords, peonese accords, and osmanthus. Don't ask me all that. I don't know. All I know is that it worked well with my body chemistry, and I wanted to attempt to get it before the price increase. It just didn't work out for your girl. So yeah, she is another addition to the collection. Moving right along to Shablam, this lovely little piece. So if you know my love and fascination with this item, this should be no surprise to anyone, but it came in this dust bag. Yes, darling, yes, I got another coin card holder. This is in the color Gunmetal. That's what it originally was called, but now on the website it's called silver. And let me tell you, the pictures, it does not do this one justice. It is like this metallic-y gunmetal piece. When I originally looked at the pictures, I'm like, okay, this is just going to be the reverse side of the monogram eclipse, just gray, right? Nah, this is slamming. This is beautiful. And I'm not a huge silver lover, but wow, look at this. I want you to kind of see how it looks without the lights all drowning it out. And wow, just this coin card holder is so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm a huge fan. Cassie, she ended up like starting the wheel, and then yeah, I took over. I completely took over. It looks like they kind of updated these little textile cards. So exterior is coated fabric, interior is vachetta leather, trim is vachetta leather. I'll list all the product codes in the description box because that's just easier for y'all to find out. I don't know whether these have microtrips now. Let me know in the comment section, or if I find out, I will tell you down there. I think they need to expand on this line because I could see this in a beautiful purple shade. If they do purple, your girl might have to go and get it because this is really nice. It's very much so different than the Eclipse, which I also have. Since the pictures really didn't do this justice, this is actually available on the site currently as I am filming. So if you were interested in it, you may be able to get your hands on it because I did purchase this right off the website. No problem. So what could we possibly have in this particular box? Again, if you know your girl, you already know. Red. Wow, okay, so this is kind of a orange based red, like a tomato red, not quite ripe, not that red Jersey tomato that I love on my sandwiches, my sub sandwiches, but it is one of those orange based looking red. You know the setup of the coin card holders, just very slender, sleek, just perfect. Out of the two, I already knew this red one was going to go first because it's a pop of color and it is pretty true to the picture that they have online. So as soon as it launched, of course, it was sold out. And I was like, damn, I'm not gonna be able to get this. So I took a chance and called up the 800 number. First off, I tried to pre-order it and they said, no, you have to visit a store. So couldn't do that. So when it finally launched and I called, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna get this. So I asked and I was like, hey, is it possible you can order this? And she pulled up the number and she was like, it is allowing me to order it. However, it may take 14 business days. I said, here's the card. Here's the card. Here. So it was just no thought to it. I was like, I have to get it. Now, this is not mine, okay? Someone else wants this. But I was like, wow, that I was just completely shocked that I got this again. This piece was made in Italy. Let me check the other one. See where that was made. Yep, both are made in Italy. But can we just get into both of them? You see how reflective that gray one is? This one is a sleeper. Don't sleep, guys. I'm telling you right now, you can see the vibrancy. You see that sheen? Like the red is cool. Red is cool. Don't get me wrong. But it is something about this gunmetal. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. But this red one, it's a beautiful color. If you like something that's right in between an orange and a red, you'll absolutely love it. And if you can actually find it, that's the one thing that, you'll have a difficult time. Try the 800 number because most of these card holders that I have in my collection, I did call up the 800 number and just pray to God that they had it in stock. If you want to see more unboxings of my card holders, I'm gonna link a video bong up here. And if you don't, check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one.